I'm giving out another lazy lunch idea. I'm making broccoli, sausage, and mashed potatoes. The broccoli was frozen, so I ran some cold water over it, let it drain, and got the broccoli on this baking pan. I cut up some andouille sausage and some onions, and I am also adding that to the baking pan, putting a little olive oil on top, some lemon pepper onto the broccoli, and some everything but the bagel seasoning. I put that in the oven for 30 minutes on 375. While that's cooking, we're making instant mashed potatoes. It's not that instant mashed potatoes are nasty, it's just that y'all have been making it wrong. First of all, don't measure anything. Just throw in what the ancestors tell you to. That's whole milk, of course. You can't use anything but real butter. You just keep adding in those mashed potatoes till you get the consistency that you want. I add in a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of cheesy powder from Trader Joe's, and more butter. And I'm going to go ahead and put that into the little glass containers I use for work. My broccoli and sausage is done, so I'm going to pack that up in the glass containers, and they go into my Vera Bradley bag. So that was the sausage and broccoli. I'm going to put in the mashed potatoes. I always have to have a snack, so I'm putting in the Laughing Cow cheese with some crackers and my little 8-ounce can of orange soda. And that is my lazy lunch.